In this video, we will learn how to use non-surgical fabric masks. Please watch it carefully till the end. Zubair Pharmacist.
Your own pharmacist.
Clean your hands before touching the mask. Inspect the mask for damage or if dirty. Adjust the mask to your face without leaving gaps on the sides. Cover your mouth, nose, and chin. Avoid touching the mask. Clean your hands before removing the mask. Remove the mask by the straps behind the ears or head. Pull the mask away from your face. Store the mask in a clean plastic, reusable bag if it is not dirty or wet and you plan to reuse it. Remove the mask by the straps when taking it out of the bag. Wash the mask in soap or detergent, preferably with hot water, at least once a day. Clean your hands after removing the mask. Do not use a mask that looks damaged. Don't wear a loose mask. Do not wear the mask under the nose. Do not remove the mask where are people within 1 meter. Do not use a mask that is difficult to breathe through. Do not wear a dirty or wet mask. Do not share your mask with others.